To be very honest, I'm briefly familiar with Chongqing, but I can see the potentials in what we have seen so far, and the sectors they are looking at. It's very much in line what Malaysia is looking at, especially on the manufacturing. It is not so much on the assembly and plant. It's more to increasing the high value chain, especially in the semiconductor industry, especially on the EV sectors, medical device, pharmaceutical, and so forth, right? And I believe we could form a very strategic alliance, by hosting some of these sectors, companies that wish to have a presence in Southeast Asia, and Malaysia could be one of the hosting country, for them to looking at the market, ASEAN market as a whole. We have a very I would say a very notable initiatives. The reason one will be the Johor-Singapore Special Economic Zone. We have signed agreement in January 2025, and we see good traction and strong interest companies from China, particularly from Chongqing, where they are coming over to Singapore to set up their regional operations and so forth, and looking at the region. And Johor-Singapore Special Economic Zone presents amazing platform for them to expand, because it is an extension from the roadmaps that we've been unveiled to focus on the synergy between Malaysia and Singapore, particularly in Johor. So it's more to China to Malaysia. So it's more to FDIs that we attracted. We've been attracting very significant investment from China. In fact, last year China was number 3 strongest investor in Malaysia, right, for 2024, and in the sectors that was highly that has interest that expanded into Malaysia, especially in the EV industry. It is not only looking at the EV vehicle itself, but we are looking at the whole ecosystem. So we are looking at the battery ecosystem. We managed to attract these companies to be part of the EV ecosystem, where they are not looking at Malaysia as a market for the components and parts. They can also within the region and globally.